As a Platinum member, we are entitled to what is called the Chocolate Delight. Normally, we get to share 2 strawberries, 2 macaroons, and 2 bonbons. This time, they brought us each a tray. As you can see, I've already eaten one of the macaroons. But there's the bonbons, chocolate strawberries, and 1 macaroon left. And if you like chocolate, let me tell you, it is delicious.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and give a thumbs up.